Business is the economic pulse of a nation. It's the source of goods and services, the platform for innovation and opportunity. Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington. From small startups to global corporations, join me as we go inside the dynamic business world and explore some of today's successful enterprises. Nowadays, there are a lot of ways you can reduce your energy consumption. Here's one energy-saving solution.
Air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration systems are major energy consumers. Air conditioners alone cost U.S. homeowners $11 billion annually, while businesses spend billions on these systems every year. Part of the reason HVAC systems consume so much energy is because they become less efficient over time, mostly due to a phenomenon known as oil fouling.
Oil fouling occurs when the lubricating oil in the HVAC system begins to break down and deposit oil particles on the metal surfaces within the system. This accumulation reduces the ability of the system to transfer heat and slowly degrades the system efficiency.
Just as plaque builds up in our arteries, oil fouling builds up in AC systems.
To solve this oil fouling problem, Cold Plus not only cleans and removes oil fouling, but it almost completely prevents the return of oil fouling. Plus, it speeds up the thermodynamics of the AC process.
Laryl and Dale Willis are the inventors of Cold Plus, a one-time treatment that reduces the consumption of energy in air conditioning, heating, and refrigeration systems. Laryl and Dale have been building chemical products since 1976 and have sold their products around the world.
My brother, Dale, observed that tap water boils much faster than distilled water because of the particles in the tap water. He theorized we could do the same thing in AC systems, and thus, after years of experimentation and thousands of tests, Cold Plus was born.
Once injected, Cold Plus removes oil fouling from metal surfaces and replaces it with PTFE, the slipperiest solid substance known to man. The submicron polymers of PTFE form a new layer on the metal, reducing friction on refrigeration flow while preventing future oil fouling.
Following the oil fouling's removal, submicron polymer particles fuse into the metal surface of all interior metal parts of the system. The new finish is inert and remains pristine and free of oil fouling for the life of the system.
The secondary inert suspended polymers also act as nuclei to enhance pool boiling. As a result, the liquid-to-gas phase occurs 20% faster, allowing thermostats to reach temperature and shut off faster.
My research has shown that the Cold Plus technology reduces friction and fluid drag, which means less noise and reduced maintenance costs and longer system life. As a result of this improved performance, the compressor runtime will be greatly reduced, which translates into less energy costs and reduced emissions.
What makes the Cold Plus formula so revolutionary is its ability to improve the efficiency of every part of the air conditioning and refrigeration system. Each component, compressor, condenser, expansion valve, and evaporator will now operate more efficiently. This in turn reduces runtimes, which in turn reduces carbon emissions and energy costs.
Because residential, commercial, industrial, and retail properties consume so much energy, the potential for savings is substantial. By becoming more energy efficient, businesses help reduce greenhouse gas emissions and improve their own bottom line.
With HVAC systems, there are three key areas that cost operators the most: compressors, maintenance, and the longevity of equipment. Compared to other products, Cold Plus outperforms them in all three.
When I was first introduced to Cold Plus, I insisted I'd be able to leverage my contractor network and use Melrock's analytics, which when combined, proved the results of Cold Plus. I can confidently recommend to my customers and industry partners that installing Cold Plus will help reduce operating expenses while also deferring their spending of CapEx dollars.
Sustainability has become the buzzword in business today. And our family has been educating businesses about sustainability for almost 30 years. Education is the key, because with Cold Plus, We truly believe an educated buyer is our best customer.